Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Play Services is updated and that a Google account is already added to your device. This matters because the game uses system-level auth. Once done, open FC Mobile and go straight to your profile or the settings icon at the top right. Don't wander through menus. Tap the account or link option. You're beginning the OAuth flow. Make sure your device's network is stable, because an interrupted auth can create duplicate or temporary session issues. You now choose Link Account and pick Google from the provider list. This triggers a permissions dialog. Grant the requested scopes, email, and basic profile, because the game needs them to map your progress and prevent account loss. When the account chooser appears, deliberately select the correct Google account. Do not assume the device default is the one you want. If you see a reauthentication prompt, enter your Google password or use biometric confirmation. So you finish by confirming the linked status inside settings and watching for an on-screen sync confirmation. This proves your progress is tied to Google. If the link fails, first clear the game cache or force stop and reopen, then retry the Google flow. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account in Android settings and reboot if necessary. If problems persist, gather your game ID, approximate link time, and any error messages. Then contact game support so they can restore or merge accounts cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.